This is Dabu7. And guys, really, this is sad. Very sad to see our country going through this. We're looking here at what's happening in New Jersey alone. It's the headlines state that restaurants are looking to liquidate assets. And they're looking at all the places that are throwing stuff up for sale. They're going within 80 miles of Trenton in New Jersey. And you can see that it is nonstop when you scroll down through here. Business after business, restaurant after restaurant, closed down, selling their stuff, selling all their items, all their cooking equipment, pizza baking equipment. I mean, you name it. All the storage, all the coolers, tables, chairs, the things that cook the pizzas. I mean, you name it. It goes on and on and on here. It just keeps going. The fryers. I mean, it's heartbreaking, man, to know that this is what this country is going through. Elsewhere, California, the same thing is happening. Okay, so it's happening in many different places across the country, coast to coast. The decimation of small business. I just want people to realize and to see this. This is what's going on large scale. Definitely changing the way that this country looks, operates, and will forever affect it for here and into the future. Make sure to follow me on BitChute and DLive. You'll find links below in the description box. This is Dabu7. Much love.